Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to download and install Yahoo Mail application on your Android device. Whether you are using your Android mobile device or your tablets, this process is quite easy to follow. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, unlock your Android device and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, launch open your Google Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Yahoo and search. Once you see this Yahoo Mail organized email application, this one over here, click on the install button to start downloading the application on your Android. Now, you'll need to wait for a couple of minutes and the download process should finish. Once it is done, click on Open and you'll be able to download the Yahoo application on your Android device. You can now sign into Yahoo by entering your correct credentials for an existing account or create a new account if you don't have an account yet. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.